Hey man, what's up?
I need a new keyboard, man.
Oh, okay. We can do something about that, no problem.
Alright.
Alright, see you soon, bro.
So we're buying a keyboard, right?
Not exactly. This is my friend Eddie. He's an absolute Chad that's in dire need of a new keyboard. Eddie has a classic red and black setup, but what Eddie doesn't have is a classic red and black keyboard, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. Eddie's actually fluent in Mandarin and is known across the world as Chef Ordini. You might have seen him on this channel before. He is a very prominent figure of my life. 10 years ago, he went through a horrific accident in Beijing, China. Sadly, he hasn't been the same since. Eddie, please come back. We need, as well as cooking, he plays a lot of games competitively. So it's important that this keyboard really serve his needs. Aside from all that, he's been using a horrible HyperX Origins keyboard, and so we bought the parts real quick and started the build. Hey, man in a different shirt here. Hello. Halfway through editing this video, I realized that it was way too similar to Hippio's video, maybe even a carbon copy of Hippio's how to build your first custom keyboard video. So instead, we're going to be changing it up. Okay. You have 2 lifelines, 2 opportunities for me to help you. The rest, you will be doing all by yourself. Start.
Let's start.
You want me to open it?
No, I can. They don't call me a chef for no reason.
Let me quality check this. Wonderful. It's the other way around.
Shut up. In elementary school, they have this one saying: righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Now comes the fun part. We have stabilizers here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 stabilizers. Now, these stabilizers don't sound very good right now. We want to lube them up. I can show you, but you'd have to use your 1 lifeline. All you'd have to do is just say the word, then I will show you.
I use my lifeline.
Okay. So, first thing you would want to do, take the bar out. If you see, it already has some lube on it. Right over here.
It's horrifying.
No, don't be scared, it's fine. Take one of these. Cut each tooth separately. Take a moderate amount of Krytox. Put Krytox inside here. Dab once and dab twice. Put it down. You reapply Krytox. Again, the Julie folder. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Get an even coating. Snip it in. Snip. Now you have a working stabilizer. While you do this one, I will do the rest. Yep, exactly. So, there's a little thing you might have heard of. It's called lubing switches. You've seen me lube switches before. So, actually, I'm gonna not let you use a lifeline for the first time. And I'm gonna just see what you do with it. That is, oh my god, that's the most unorthodox way. It's a pretty well looked switch. I would have liked to say the same for all of them, but that would be a lie. Not only that, you didn't close it fully.
Ah.
Okay. Need some for the typing test. And with that, the board was finally finished. It's now time for the type test. Let's see if he did a good job. Oh yeah, by the way, he was adamant about having this sticker on his keyboard. I have no idea why. So my final opinions about this board is that I actually really like it. I don't know why every keyboard I seem to touch turns out clacky, but I really enjoy the sound. The mic picked up more ticking in the stabilizers than usual, but it still sounds pretty good. But I wonder, what does Eddie think after a month of use? Let's check in with him.
Good.
Alright, that's enough out of you, buddy. If you got this far in the video, genuinely, thank you so much. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.